What are some of the key features of cloud computing? Agility, helping in both quick and inexpensive reprovisioning of the resources used. Location independence, meaning that resources can be accessed from anywhere on any device. Multi-tenancy, so cloud resources are shared amongst a large group of end users. Reliability, as in the cloud, resources can be utilized with minimal disruptions. And scalability, cloud resources like computing power can be scaled dynamically. What are the main constituents that are part of the cloud ecosystem? Here we have the cloud consumers, the direct customers, and the cloud service providers. What are serverless components in cloud computing? They allow the building of apps to take place without the complexity of managing the infrastructure. And we can write code without having to provision a server. What are microservices? It is a process of developing apps that consist of code and which are independent of each other and independent of a development platform. Each microservice runs a unique process and communicates through well-defined and standardized APIs. And the services are defined in the form of a catalog, so that developers can easily locate the right service. What is a cloud usage monitor? It is an autonomous and lightweight software program, which is responsible for collecting and processing IT resource usage data. It can exist in different formats, and the three most common ones are monitoring, resource, and polling agent. What is edge computing? Edge computing means that the data is directly processed or processed close to the specific data source. This minimizes the need to process data in a distant data center. What is an API gateway? An API gateway allows multiple APIs to act together. Each API call is processed reliably, and an API gateway provides high security. What is meant by rate limiting? It means to limit the network traffic. Rate limiting runs within the application. It tracks the IP address and the time between each requests. What is meant by a container? A container is a packaged software code. It can run consistently across clouds and on-premises. And the packaging of the code is called encapsulation. What are the different data centers deployed for cloud computing? The main two would be containerized data centers and low-density data centers. What are containerized data centers? Containerized data centers are traditional data centers, allowing a high level of customization with servers, mainframes, and other resources. They require planning, cooling, networking, and power to access and work. What are low-density data centers? Low-density data centers offer high performance. In low-density data centers, the time constraint is removed. But this also means that the heat issue increases. What are the different computing techniques provided by cloud providers? Here we have virtual machines, which are software emulations of physical computers running on a host. They contain virtual processors, memories, storage, and networking resources. They host their own operating system on which we can install the apps and software. Then we have containers. They also provide a virtual environment to install and run software, but they do not host their own operating system, but use the host operation. And then we have serverless computing. So this is the computing environment provided to execute code, agnostic to the underlying infrastructure and host environment. What is a multi-cloud? Multi-cloud computing may be defined as the deliberate use of the same type of cloud services from multiple public cloud providers. And what is a distributed cloud? The distributed cloud may be defined as the distribution of cloud services to different physical locations. They are specifically used to meet various kinds of compliance needs and performance requirements. Thanks a lot for watching this video till the end. If you like this content, then please subscribe to my channel to not miss any more videos. See you next time.